Your team is playing. The first half just ended. Your American friend asks, "What do you think?"
And you freeze. You know good and bad, but you want to sound natural.
Today, real phrases for match day. What to say before, during, and after a football match. A 2-level.
Welcome to Learn English. I'm William. This is Sarah.
We'll cover 3 moments: before kickoff, during the match, and after the final whistle.
Each phrase is short, useful, and used by native speakers in real conversations about football.
Let's start before the match begins.
Before the match, you can ask, "Who's playing tonight?"
Or, "Do you think they can win?"
Another common one, "Who's your money on?" That means, who do you think will win?
If you support a team, say, "I'm rooting for Mexico tonight." To root for a team means to support that team.
British people often say, "I'm cheering on England tonight" instead of rooting for. Both work.
What if you don't have a favorite team? You can say, "I just want a good game."
Or, "I'm here for the atmosphere," meaning you came to enjoy the experience, not just the result.
Now during the match. When something exciting happens, what a goal, or what a save.
When the referee makes a wrong decision, that's not a foul, or you can't be serious.
When you're nervous, "I can't watch." This is dramatic but very common when your team might lose.
Quick review of before-match phrases. Who's playing tonight? Do you think they can win? Who's your money on?
I'm rooting for Mexico. I'm cheering on England. I'm here for the atmosphere.
And in the moment, what a goal. That's not a foul. I can't watch.
Notice, when emotions are high, English speakers use short phrases.
Long sentences feel slow. Quick reactions feel real.
Now after the match. If your team wins, "We did it," or "I knew we could do it."
We did it is the perfect celebration phrase. Notice we, even if you didn't play.
If your team loses, "We deserved better." Or, with humor, "There's always next time."
If it was a close match, that was a nail-biter. A nail-biter is a very tense, close match.
If the score was huge, that was a thrashing, or "they got destroyed." Strong, dramatic words.
If a player was amazing, he was on fire tonight, meaning playing extremely well.
If a player was terrible, he had a shocker. Or politely, he had an off day.
When discussing the result, you can ask, "What was the score?" or "How did it end?"
Answer with, "It was 2-1, say 2-1 or 2-1.
If the match ended equal, it was a draw or it ended in a tie. British people say draw, Americans often say tie.
Penalty shootout? Just say penalties, "We won on penalties."
And the big one, for the next round, they threw, meaning they advanced.
Or, "They're out," meaning they were eliminated.
Now for one more, when you don't know yet, it's anyone's game.
This means either team could win, the match is balanced.
Save that for the World Cup final.
Big review. Celebration, "We did it." Disappointment, "We deserved better."
Description, nail-biter, tense, thrashing, lopsided, on fire, playing great.
Scoring, "It was 2-1. Draw or tie. Won on penalties.
Tournament, they threw, advanced, they're out, eliminated, it's anyone's game, uncertain.
These are exactly the phrases native speakers use. Use them and you'll sound natural immediately.
Practice these phrases. Repeat clearly after Sarah.
Who's your money on? Mexico versus Argentina. Who's your money on?
I'm rooting for Brazil. I'm rooting for Brazil tonight.
What a nail-biter. That was a real nail-biter.
We deserved better. We played well. We deserved better.
They're through. Argentina are through to the next round.
Quiz time. I describe. You give the right phrase.
You want to ask who your friend supports. What do you say?
Who's your money on? Or who are you rooting for?
The match ended 1-1. How do you describe it?
It was a draw, or for Americans, it ended in a tie.
Your team just won the round and continues. They are
through. We are through to the quarterfinals. Perfect.
Now you can talk about any World Cup match like a native speaker.
Don't memorize. Use 1 or 2 phrases tonight, then more tomorrow.
Thanks for listening to Learn English. Enjoy the World Cup.